Meanwhile, let me see it. Yeah. So meanwhile, other participants are joining. I will start this session quickly to introduce myself. Meanwhile, you are seeing me right now from my camera over here, so don't get confused. My monitor is over here, so I'm not facing at this screen right now. But let me fix it out so you will guys see it better. Yeah, give me a second. Might be a little bit odd for you guys to see me directly. Yeah, so over here. So hello everyone, first of all, and today we are starting our session, and thank you all of you for joining this session right now. And one of our mentor will also join, Ayushi, over here. So before starting this session, let me share my screen so you can guys can see the presentation we have created. So let me know if you can see it. Wait a second.
Yes, we can see.
Yeah, just give me a second. Yep. So we're starting this session right now, and over here, if you have any questions, please raise your hand. So starting this session from today onwards, 13th September, and over here we will start from basic, from beginners to intermediate level, and advanced level is something which we will cover into our next session, where we will only focus on advanced level. So for all of them who don't even know what is Oracle Apex, this is a best training session for all of you. Please make sure that you make it priority. Take session very carefully. Also take all the videos from the group itself. We will also conduct MCQ exams over here to check your knowledge from these sessions. Also we will make sure that we will give you some of the practical exams, so you will also able to understand how to work with Oracle Apex. And if you have any questions, please let us know. So So, first of all, meet your organization. My name is Ravindra Thaplial. I have an experience of 6+ years in Oracle Apex itself. I am an Oracle ACE associate already, and I have also running a Tech Proby YouTube channel. Over there, I have posted so many videos related to Oracle Apex itself. We have a dedicated playlist where we started from the scratch how to create a workspace up to the level where we reach to the intermediate level. So you can check out that as well. Over then, I have worked in multiple organizations before this one, and I have worked on multiple project, POS, sales order. We have also done a automation billing as well. We have also integrated Razor Pay, Finance, PayPal with our applications. So you will get a very rich mentors over here, which have a very in-depth knowledge of corporate. And basically, if you see, we have also, as I've already told you, I have a YouTube channel. We have a subscribers of 2K already. We are 3.6K followers on LinkedIn. I am so much active on LinkedIn as of now. I think the best social media you can say is LinkedIn for connecting with people. So if you want to, you can directly check out my YouTube channel for all of Oracle Apex related information if you need to. Then we will start with the roadmap. I think most of you joined the last session yesterday and you already knew about this one. But if someone has not joined that session, please take a look into this one. Quickly wrap this up. So starting with the training roadmap. Then we have mentor introductions, content and video plan. Then we have exams and assessment, certificate plan, and Q&A. So what we are doing in this session is we have 4 sessions. 4 sessions include 8 lectures. Each session has 2 lectures, and then we have a practical exam where I think the best exam would be to create a master detail form and some other related to, like, create a calendar, a dynamic calendar, or you can say a basic application out of it in a latest version. Then we have 4 exam, 20 MCQ. After each session, we will give you uh, one MCQ will include 20 questions, and we will assess you on that, on basis of that one. If you score more than 60% on each session, and overall your percentage will be about 80%, then only you will get a certificate out of it. And we will recognize all of the top, you can say the rankers who will get 60%, top 10. Basically we will recognize them into our group. After each session I will publish the 10 best performing participant over here. Resource and planning, you can see thus all the session PPT, recording, exam, all of you will get into our group itself. Final certificate I will show you later on. And dedicated Q&A session. Apart from this 4 session and 8 lecture, we have one dedicated lecture for only question and answer round. Then you have our mentors over here. Most of the mentors are not present over here right now, but they are already informed and they might join in the next sessions. So you can see all of your mentors. This is a very enriched mentor community right now you are seeing right now. Over there we have one more important, you can say a mentor just joining our this initiative, which is Patimesh. He is a senior designer, designer with 8 plus year of experience. He will guide you how to use UI into Oracle Apex, because most of you only knew about the backend but don't know about the UI stuff, the front end, the Figma, how to create UI into an application. So Pratmesh will guide you out. He is a very great UI designer. I am working with him right now in Synosis, and I request him and he joined our initiative. Then how we will goes forward with this one. So mentor will guide you throughout the session. We will create 5-10 learners into a batch. So you might directly contact to your mentor for any information you need, any guidance you need. And in case your mentor is not available, please directly communicate to me. I'm organizer. You can directly communicate to me, I will help you. And then mentor will of course guide you. He will see your MCQs, answering questions basically. And also, as your mentor is mentoring you, he will also sign your certificate as well along with me, because I'm a organizer, and I am taking responsibility of this entire session. And then what will we cover in this roadmap? Basically, the foundation will be basic workspace creation, how we will create a workspace basically. And then moving forward with the lecture 2, we will see the shared component. And then with the development, we will see how a page designer look like, what we can create out of it, like form, report, chart, and everything out of it. In the lecture 4, we will see a deployment security, basically authentication and stuff, how we will create a security over there. Then we come with the API and advanced tool. This is a very important one because you should know how to create APIs in Apex, like post, delete, update, everything we will cover over there. Then we have an advanced feature on lecture 6, where we will took into a PWA mobile application. And as of now, Apex have given a native approach to create a mobile uh, application out of it, application, the web application. So we will see into that one. And the most interesting one will be a modern Apex feature skills, the Figma, how you create a UI UX Figma into a Apex UI. So the Prathimesh, who are senior designer, will guide you over here. And then at the last we have some advanced level. So we will see from a very high point this AI JSON workflow UX update. This will just a basic overview of the advanced level. And if you want to join our advanced session, you can join that one as well. Once it is completed, we will jump to a advanced level. Then here we have our certificate. So whoever will get 80% or above in the whole session, whole training session, will get this certificate from us. And here you will get a certificate signed by your mentor and me, and only 80% above will get it. And so make sure you take this session very uh, focusedly, and don't miss any of the sessions. Then I think you might have some of the questions which I've already acknowledged over here. So session, will this session be only on 13th and 14th? No, this session will goes forward with all the 8 lectures in each weekend. Then where I can learn from the basics. So if you want to learn the basics, please join our Tech Proby channel. Also, you can join any Oracle Apex official, you can say, the channels where you can see all the videos related to Oracle Apex. But I will suggest you to go to our channel because we have created a dedicated playlist for that one. Will all training information will be updated for sure. You will see all the update information into a group itself. Who should I contact if my mentor doesn't respond? For sure you will contact me directly. How will I know who's my mentor? After this session completed, we will, this first session will completed, we will separate you into a batch level so you can directly connect to your mentor. So likewise, there is some other questions. You can see the slide. I will share it with you guys. Uh, then this is the last thing I want to tell you before wrapping up this orientation is why we have started this orientation. Basically, this initiative, because earlier I was giving one-on-one sessions, which was a paid sessions, but now I want to give it my all knowledge, the 6+ year of knowledge, free of cost to the community, because I have gained so much from community, the wealth and all the knowledge. Now I want to give it back to the community. So I want you all guys, whoever joining this session, please make sure you will give it back to the community. Take 1 or 2 listeners, and this will help them to grow without money. Just help them out, and by your max capabilities, please goes out and help them. So it will be, you can say, a guru dakshina for me if you help others as well, and it will encourage me as well. So I think up to now this is a orientation we have done. Now we are moving forward with the first session. So if you have any question, please let me know upfront over here only. Anyone of you? So, for the WhatsApp group, I want to tell you one thing. We don't have any WhatsApp group as of now, and we will not create any WhatsApp group because of the privacy concern. I don't want anyone will share their number, and I don't want any privacy disturbance. So basically, WhatsApp group will not be created in future as well. We will only communicate through LinkedIn itself. Do you have any other questions, anyone?
Not from my side.
Okay, okay, sure. So, are you here?
Yes, Ravindra, I'm there. Uh, yeah, so we can start.
Yes, yes, sure. So, guys, we have one of our mentor over here, Ayushi Tiwari. Please acknowledge her because she was giving her time apart from his professional commitments. So, I want you all sincerely listen to Ayushi and his journey and what he has gained till now. So, please make sure listen it carefully because in future you have to go through that one. So, Ayushi, over to you.
Yes, thanks, Ravi. Hello, everyone. My name is Ayushi Tiwari, and I'm excited to be here as your Oracle Apex mentor. I have around 5+ years of experience working with Oracle technologies, and currently I'm working with Oracle with a strong focus on Oracle Apex for low code application, which is. And over the years, I have worked on building end-to-end Apex solutions like the applications ERP and the domain like fleet management, transportation, and warehouse, and many other things. And I have worked on designing and deploying forms, interactive reports, dashboards. So sort of all these works I do in my daily activity, and creating secure, scalable web applications as well. Also, as a mentor, my goal is to simplify complex concept to help you gain hands-on experience in building your own application. Like with, I can say in a few minutes, I can say you can build. So I believe to guide you on Oracle Apex. It's a problem solving and turning ideas into real solutions quickly. So it's the best way to do on Oracle Apex. So we will guide you. I look forward to sharing knowledge, real world use case, and best practices with you. So I'm looking forward like learning from your experience as well and questions. So let's make this a collaborative and engaging journey in mastering Oracle Apex together. So thank you everyone. to be on here. That's all by my side, Ravi.
Okay, okay, great, Ayushi, for being here, and I really appreciate your contribution over here. And also, we have some questions in the chat. Let me address them as well. Any advice for newcomer looking to join Apex? For sure. I will. As of now, you are seeing that now is I'm giving my 6+ year of experience directly to you guys who are a beginner and fresher, and also ISU is contributing as well. So whatever we gain in 6 years, we are giving you into 8 lecture itself, and you have entered in Oracle Apex in a very best time, because as of now we are getting very you can say frequently versions update from Apex, and the AI integration has been done, and the community has reached it to the max level. Big MNC company Deloitte, Accentures, Billasoft. I'm also getting calls directly from Oman, Dubai, and Germany for joining Oracle Apex team in their organization. So you guys are getting a very good environment right now. Make sure you learn Oracle Apex in depth, and you will surely get a very good out of this one. So yeah, sure. This as of now you are on a right path right now. So let's start. If you have any other question, let me know. I will start the first session quickly. Did we plan any topic wise? Yeah. So we will cover one by one. So I will start directly. So over here, if I so this is our first session, building the foundation. Over here, you can see as of now the first question arises is why Oracle Apex? Why we want to go into Oracle Apex? There are React, there are Angular, there are Flutter, many other you can say framework. But why we have to go for Oracle Apex? So as you know, Oracle DB is a legacy DB database. It was there when there is no other cloud. Azure, AWS came new into the market, but Oracle was very you can see the legacy database. And to get familiar, basically what Apex have done to the Oracle DB is, if you have already Oracle database, Apex help us to retrieve the database, that this data out of it, and we can display it to the users, to the client directly, because both of them are into a same community. Would you like to cover vector search as a part of training session? Yeah, sure. We will take that one as well. So going forward, we will the Apex days basically take data from database and display it into its raw form and report. Apex itself is a low code platform where you can create any application very quickly, and because it is connected with database itself and coming from a same family of Oracle itself, they are very fast and interactive. Then came as you can see in your first slide as well, building app fast instead of writing thousands of lines of code. If you someone is familiar with HTML and CSS, you knew that if you want to create any of the div, you have to write a code like div and then span and then HTML TD table th, so something like that one. But in Oracle Apex, we need to do is a drag and down, basically drag and drop. So we, if you want to create any button, just click out, you will create a button directly. You don't have to write a code for that one. If you want to create a component, directly drag and drop. So you will see later on after this one, it's a very easy way to create any application rapidly. Then why ORDS? What is the role of ORDS? So before 19.2, if I'm right, 19.2, there is no necessary to use ORDS. Apex can directly interact with to take place every Saturday. So all of you who are questioning right now, please, I will answer you after this once this session is completed, because it's distracting me right now. But so coming back to this one, why ORDS needed? As I knew from 90.2 before, we don't need ORDS. Apex run directly, but that was not efficient at all. And after 19.2, Oracle itself make it default to use ORDS. How ORDS worked is, ORDS basically work as a middle ground between database and between Apex itself. So whenever any user will calling any information from Apex web page, ORDS make it a proper package and send it to database, and database revert it back with the information, and it goes back to the Apex. So ORDS work as a middle ground between Apex and database. So why Oracle database? I already told you Oracle database has very enriched database as of now, and I think if you have guys worked on Oracle database, you will know how we have very big community, so very big community related to that one. Why all three do all together? Why all three do all together? Because see, if you want to deploy your basically if you want to deploy your Apex or ORDS Oracle database, you can also deploy it into a AWS and Azure as well, because it also Oracle give you that freedom to do so. But if you are taking a native approach, it will be faster and it will process the data very fast as well. So I think the combination of all three bring out the best for all the users and all the company enterprises right now. So Oracle DB you can take as a kitchen, and then Apex is itself a chef over there, and you can see ORDS is basically a waiter which will serve between both of them. So this is what we are doing right now, and then we goes to the architecture. We will understand it. So you can see over here, yeah, we are already recording this session right now, and I will request other as well to record it from your side as well. I will share my recording for sure. And so you can see over here we have outside zone. This is a client tier, basically a client, and this is a user side. A user open a browser on their laptop or mobile to access an app, but the browser itself cannot talk directly to the database. So this is, you can see over here, so browser cannot directly talk to ORDS or basically Oracle database. So it need a middleware over here. You can see here comes a middle layer, ORDS, Oracle REST data services, act like a translator or traffic controller. It receive requests from the browser, pass them to the Apex inside the database, and send it back for a output as a web page. Then we have Oracle database over here. At the foundation, we have Oracle database. This is a storage layer. Basically, all the data you are seeing right now, you entering, it's going to over here only. It hold all your data, user account and Apex application themselves. So whatever application you are creating right now is going directly to a Oracle database itself. Nothing work without this base, because this is a foundation. If you don't have Oracle database, you cannot create the rest of the things out of this one. So then we have some, I think after this, the basic information, you have some question related to this whatever we have discussed right now. Do we need to install Apex ourselves? Because when we start this session, once after this one, so you have a question that you want to install Apex in your system right now. So no, you don't have to, because we are using a free Apex workspace. In that there is no installation required, and you are working with the latest version 24.1 or 24.2, whichever is the latest as of now in Oracle Cloud. Will I need to install ORDS on free workspace? No, it's default, so it will directly there only. You don't have to install it. Can Apex app run on mobile too? Yeah, sure. Now with the new updates, it's you can directly run on your app. There is a native function, native function. Directly click over here, and it will install into your mobile. Can Apex integrate with external application like React, Angular, or Java apps? Yes, sure. As we have already discussed earlier, with the REST API, you can directly call your data from Oracle database and call it into a React application. We have done that earlier as well, where we pass our APIs to Java application for calling it. Can I deploy Apex apps in AWS or Azure? For sure, we can do it, but it easier for us to work on Oracle database rather than using it into AWS or Azure different database. So now we are starting with this one. So getting started with Oracle Apex Workspace Setup. First of all, we will go to Oracle dot Apex dot Oracle. So I will click over here. So we will, when we click over here, you will see this first page. If you are you able to see my screen? Let me check.
Yes, it is
Yes, yes.
visible.
Yeah,
Yes,
Yes,
we are able
visible.
to see that.
yeah. So if you guys want to sheet from scratch, I will go to the Google. I will type Oracle Apex, and the first thing come over here is I will click over here. So you will land over on the same page which I opened earlier. So now over here we will click over here, start for free today. And if you already have your account over here, you can click over here, sign in. So I will click over here, start for free today. Then we have three options over here. You can see free Apex Workspace, Apex on Oracle Cloud, and Apex on premises. So free Apex Workspace is basically, you can see is you will directly jump into creating a workspace. But when you clicking over here Apex on Oracle Cloud, this is free of cost. You don't even have to give your credit card information. Basically it will take you some dollars, basic $1 or $2, just to hold it for some time, and it will release back to you your account. But it is free of cost, directly goes and create a workspace. But if you want to go over here, it is also free, but it will ask for credit card and some amount. It will hold it out for some time and release it back to your account. It will create a Oracle Cloud first. Under the Oracle Cloud, then you will create a workspace. So first we are creating OCI Cloud, and then we will creating a workspace out of it. So this is for someone who want to learn Oracle Cloud as well. So he can learn about the OCI first, and then it will goes to the workspace and have a entire control of its workspace. And then we have Apex on premises, where we create, basically download Oracle DB, ORDS, and Apex, and we install it all together into our own desktop, on own system, and we'll run it on premises level. So we will only look into this one, free Apex Workspace. So I will click over here, free sign in. So it will take some time. Yeah. So over here we will create a workspace. Out of here we will fill our information over here. So what I will do is I will quickly I will quickly run this video over here because it shows all other steps. I have already created a workspace with multiple mail IDs. So I will show you where I will click over here. Hello and welcome back to our course Oracle Apex Beginner to Advanced. In this second chapter of search for Oracle Apex, click on the you guys are able to listen to this video. You're getting the voice of this one. First link to visit the Oracle Apex page. Click start for free to
They are
Apex
not.
Workspace.
Like I'm not able to hear
You're not
the
able to hear the
audio of
voice
this video.
in this video because I'm playing this video for all of you, so you can. So meanwhile, if you're not able to listen to this one up to this level, we have already shown to you my. Let me take it
A
to over
free
here.
cloud structure fill out a form for your
So check it out.
workspace
Even
request.
though you're not getting the voice, please check it out how we are filling the form, and then how the process will goes up to you. So you can guys also follow that one. I will make it a fast forward up to one, two, yeah.
Enter your details including first and last name, email and workspace name of your choice. If your chosen workspace name is already taken, the system will notify you to choose another. Read and agree to the term and condition. This step is important to proceed with the workspace creation. Cross verify your
So
workspace
in case your workspace name is already been occupied, you are seeing right now this is giving an error. So someone has already created a workspace with this name, practice demo. So I will change it out and it will work then.
ID. If it's already been occupied, please change this workspace ID and change it to new workspace ID. Once you received an email confirmation, it times to activate your Oracle Apex workspace.
So now you are seeing the email has been gone to the specific mail ID, whichever you have put it over there, and you will get a confirmation mail over there.
Let's go through the setup process. Start by opening the official email. Here you will find a workspace username.
So you can see that as of now we are getting all the credential over here. So all we need to do is go to the mail ID and open this mail and check all the credential and click on create workspace.
Environment URL and link to create workspace. Click this URL and you will be taken to the Oracle Apex Workspace ID page. In this page, you will see continue to sign in button. Click this redirect you to new screen where you will set a new workspace password. Enter
Yeah.
a
So over here, once you come back to the browser, here you can see you need to reset your password, create your new password, confirm your password, and click on change password.
password, confirm it, and then click the change password button. Your password will be set. You will be logged into your newly created workspace. Now you are in your Oracle Apex workspace. Take a look around. Try
So you can see now we have reached to this workspace which is free and we can directly access it. So now I will go to my workspace over there, and how to log in again I will just show you.
changing how
Sign it
it
out.
looks and different themes. It's easy and fun to see how your work and explore. Remember to log out and then log back into. This help you to learn how to get in and out of your workspace quickly. Spend some time getting to know your workspace. It help you when you start making your stuff, having fun, back in to get the feel of the process. To sign in again, you need to go to your workspace ID from the email, your username and the password
So
you
all you need to log in is workspace name, your name, basically username and password, and click sign in, and you will goes to directly to your workspace. So now going forward with this one, let me show you over here my workspace. So you can see this is my new workspace I have already created before this session started. And now over here, what we will do is this is what a Oracle Apex looks like. So if you are new, fresher, and don't even know about Oracle Apex, you have already created a free workspace over here. You can see Oracle Apex. Earlier it was apex.oracle, but now they changed the URL. But it doesn't matter to you guys. It's just a URL change. So what you can do is you can see that this is the entire framework basically over here, and we will go one by one to each of the options over here. We have app builder, we have SQL workshop, we have team development, we have gallery. So I suggest you all after this lecture and you should focus on this part, the gallery part, because over here most of you are very curious because you're interested to see any application of Oracle itself. So you can go directly into the gallery, and you can see there are preloaded application by Oracle itself to review, to spec, and you can also see the backend of this application as well. So if you want, I can take a simple calendar basically. What I need to do is click on install. It is installing right now. Once, yeah, you can see it installed. Now I will run it out directly. As of now, we are using same credential which we are using for our workspace login, which is my mail ID and my password. But in later session, I will show you how to change it out for multiple users. I will click on sign in, and you can see we have a pre-built application ready to see. We have a navigation bar over here. Everything is over here. You can see dynamic standard calendar, everything over here. You can click, it will redirect to the another page. Focus on over here, the pages are changing right now. It is a 50 page. You will see a toolbar over here, just like window has a toolbar, we also have this one. I will go back over here. You will see page number will change, 30 page number. And if you want to go to the back end of this application to see, what you can do is this is a application number, app number 153915. If you want to go to the page, you can click over here, page 30, and you directly jump into the backend of this application, and you will see how developers have created this one. And because you guys are starting from the fresh, mostly I will recommend all of you to follow a standard coding approach Don't use coding standard as per your own, because many of the developers are using uh, coding standard by their own. Use Oracle defined coding standards using join and where conditions. Use that one and write your code very clearly, and so everyone can easily read it out in future if developers are watching your application. So this is how you can install any application right now, but we will goes back to the main form over here. So yeah, you can see we have installed one application, top application. Number of application you can see directly from here. Number of tables you can see from here, and I am the only developer right now over in this workspace entirely. It's showing one developer. So I click over here to see how many application we have. For sharing a Oracle coding standard, is it is not defined, it is not defined specifically, but what I can tell you right now is go to this gallery and check it out. When you goes to this gallery and install any of the application, right now I've installed this application, I will go to the backend of this application and I will see how Oracle developer, because this application is created by Oracle developer itself. So what approach they have taken, how they are writing out their code. So if you just go to the report section directly, you will see, yeah. So if I write down a code, so you will see how they are writing down their code. This is a basic standard, a basic code right now, just to showcase the rows. But you will see how they are using, how they are not using entirely code into a page level. They have a centralized CSS. We will discuss later on, but make sure you will follow a standard. I will guide you later on that one. Meanwhile, if you anyone have any questions, let me know. Meanwhile, I'm just drinking water. I already get dehydrated by anyone. If you have any questions right now, up to here.
Yes, I have a question. Means
Yes.
whenever we create a free workspace,
Mhm.
so that workspace have a validity. Means it will you can use that workspace for up to 1 month or up to 2 months only, or we can use that workspace for lifetime.
So not, no, it's not for a lifetime for sure, and you will get a mail dedicated for that one, that it will purge after some time. Might be, I'm not sure about the deadline for that one, but it might be a 6 month. Might be, I'm not sure. I will give you answer on that one. But if you are regularly using your workspace, it will not purge, it will not delete it for sure. But it was, if it was inactive for a more than, might be 3 month or 6 month, they will give you a notification related to that one, and you can directly goes back and activate that one by directly log into that workspace and it will reactivate. But if you not, it will purge after a certain time. So though, so it's not a point of concern. You can goes back and before purging, make sure that uh, you will activate. Can you show us your POC, or it's available on your YouTube? Let me see your POS, or it is available on YouTube channel. No, my POS is not available on YouTube channel because it's for one of our client from Mumbai. But I will make sure I will bring in the next session some of my projects enterprise level, so you might see what is the standard we are following in enterprise for sure. So moving forward with this session right now, we have this app builder. We will focus on this section right now. App builder, we can create our application directly from here. I will click here, over here, create. Let me refresh it. So yeah, I will click over here once again, create. So once I click over here, create, you will see it was asking me the name of the application I want to put. So I will give it a name like demo. Over here it was giving me a default ID for this application. It's a unique ID for each application, and over here I can click over here and it will create application for me. But we can also use create a wizard. There are multiple options right now. As a version is updating, there are multiple options. Then we can create app from a file. This is basically XML file. I am not sure you might have worked on report and form or not in Oracle. Oracle has a separate report and form section, and now as the technology is changing, more of the report and forms are converting into Oracle application. So if you want to, you can directly change it to Oracle Apex application or page by importing the XML file from report and form. It will give you some error, but it might work. So then we create app from quick SQL. You can call any table out of it. If you have a table in database, call that table and it will create some report for you. I'm not using this much this new section over here. Let me take one question from someone. Share link of your YouTube channel in the recommended other channel. For sure, I will share it with in our group itself. Then we have create Fusion integrity. We have a Oracle Fusion as well. We can use that one. Browse app in the gallery. I have already shown to you. Copy existing app. If you already existing app, copy that one. But as of now, we will focus on creating a new app. So I will creating click over here, create application. So you can see our first application has been created. We will get a global page. We will call it a don't call it a zero number page. Call it a global page, because in future you will uh, might need to use this word global items and application level items. So then we have this pay home page, which is default created, and this is a login page. Login page is basically when I run this page, you can see this is a login page 999. This is a login page, and over here we will change in future the authentication, where rather than giving a credential which we are using for workspace at the time of login, I will use some other name, other user's name, and it will give us access on the behalf of authentication has been given or not. So I will click over here, sign in, and now we are in our first application. And this is a plain application right now. I will go into the back end of this one. So over here you can see this is called a page designer. Page designer is something where we will create our application. This is a back end of application and this is a front end of this application. So what I will do is I will show you directly over here what is have. So we have dynamic actions. This is a main layout section over here where we'll create different components. So what are component? Component are basically containers. Container holding some of the components like button, region, display, select. There are multiple component, but take it as a container. A container holding multiple things. So then we have dynamic actions which will run at the time of when pages load, change, click, dialog, close. So this is basically dynamic action. You can say a JavaScript code which is clubbed together and create a package out of it which will run. This is basically a JavaScript code itself. So it will run on a browser level and it will give you a instant reflection of whatever code you are writing or change you want to do on a page level. You might see in the future as well. Then we have the processes. All the process will come over here. If you want to write any process which should meet with the database level, like any validation, like if Ravinder can access this page or not, so this will run over here and it will check into database that Ravinder has access to this page or not. If not, it will give a error directly. So we will write that code. We will write insert, delete, update all code over here, validation, ajax callback, ajax process, everything will come over here. And then we have a shared component. Basically this will goes a separate section we will discuss later on, but we will see over here the first section over here. So I will delete this one and we will create one region. So you are seeing right now this is a div. Basically you can see under a body, I will give it a name, demo. And over here you can see we have multiple types. So as of now I have created a div, a blank div, that's it. So I will run it out so you can see. Yeah, so we have a plain div over here, you can see. Now it was asking me you want to change this particular div into a certain type, like a breadcrumb. You want to create a calendar out of it. You want to create a card, chart. We have multiple option over here. You can see. So it just like you are creating a house. First you creating a four walls, and then you will deciding whether you should create that particular room, a kitchen, a bedroom, or something else. So there are multiple types, but you first you create a structure of that room, and now you want to decide what should that room would be, like a kitchen, bedroom, or whatever you want to be. So I will decide right now is I want to create a interactive report. What is an interactive report, what is a classic report, what is an interactive grid over here. These all are a type of report itself, basically to display data, but with a more advanced level. So classic itself defining a name, classic means a basic or legacy reports, which don't have that high tech, you can say, the features basically. Then we have an interactive report which interact with users, which have some options like actions. And then we have an interactive grid, the latest one, which have more features. So I am using like a classic report. So now it was asking me to create something out of it. So he wants me to give him a table to showcase a report over here. So what I will do is I will click over here table name. And what is the mean of parsing schema? Parsing schema is basically, you can say, a default schema in which our application is running. So you can ask one question over here is, our application is taking data from Oracle DB, Oracle DB. But how it will in under a Oracle DB, there is not only a one part of DB itself. There are multiple instances and there are multiple schemas. So Oracle database include multiple schemas. We will see later on when we open the object browser. But as of now, simply for the first session, I want to show you something so you can show your interest over here that we have created something. So I will goes into a table name and we are taking a parsing schema. If you want any information related to this one, just directly click over here help and click over here. It will show you what the purpose of this particular component. So it was asking me for the table name. I will take any table from my database as of now. So my database have employee table. And if you want to see the query of this employee table, just click over here, change it to SQL query. Once you change it, it will show you the query directly over here. And now I will do one thing, I will save it and I will run it. So you can see we have a table over here. This is a classic, but now I want to create something. I will create a duplicate out of it and I will create a duplicate out of it. So you see, this is a classic report. Interactive report. I will show you all three type of report over here. Interactive grid report. So you have already seen the classic. I will change it now to interactive report, and here I will change it to interactive grid. Okay, so now I will save it and I will run it. So you will see all of the report at the same time with the different feature it holds. So you can see over here, this is a classic report which don't have any of the options to interact with this report right now. But then we have, let me show you so you will better understand. I will show, yeah. So now you will see the name of each of the report as well. So you see, classic report don't have any interaction, basic report simple. Then we have interactive report which give us some options, like you can see we can search from here. If I want to search Divya, so see it shows me over here. Then we have action buttons to change the column, filters, and everything stuff over here. And then we have the most advanced level, which is interactive grid report. It is a complex one and it is used with multiple features over here. You can see we have multiple options just like interactive grid, but I will show you one more feature. Basically, this is the advanced feature over here. When you go to the interactive report, go to the attribute and enable editing. So once you enable it, save it, and then you will have to run this page. So you will see it is taking. Hello, 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 hello. Am I audible?
Yes, Ravi.
I lost the network. Sorry for that one. I'm not able to see all
Yes,
of.
yes.
Yeah, I
Yeah,
need
it's
to.
now.
I need to share it again. Just give me a second. Are you able to see my screen right now? Hello.
Yes, yes,
Yes.
Ravi.
Yeah.
Yes, yes.
So yes, over here you can see
Yeah, Ravi.
what I did is I just basically goes to the interactive grid, and over here under the attribute section I enable this edit section. Once I enable it, I save it, I run the application, and now you can see the major difference between interactive report and interactive grid right now. So report is just giving you action menu and some search, but here we have the inherent functionality of interactive report. Along with we have edit section, we can edit it, we can add rows, we can delete a rows from here, we can rearrange it, we have a checkbox. So this is the most advanced level of interactive report, or report you can say directly. For now we reach to a point of where session will be end. Only 5 minutes left because we are using Google Meet free version right now, so it will only hold for 1 hour and then it will be disconnected. So only 5 minutes left for today, and I think we have learned so much on this one. The agenda was to create a workspace and to walk you through this workspace initially, and then we will jump into some database level because we will go to this object browser somewhere. So you can see tables, view, index, sequence, package, procedure, functions. This is a very enriched one. So I quickly wrap this up in 4 minutes. I will ask you questions directly. If you want to ask any question, quickly ask because in 4 minutes the session will be end. Anyone? So thank you everyone. And I want, yeah, yes, if anyone want to ask, please ask. Meanwhile, I want to thank each and everyone for participating over here, and make sure you create your workspace and also follow.
Hello,
Yes,
Ravi. I have one question.
yes,
Hello.
yes, sure.
Actually, I just want to know that we are going to create a new, new application from scratch, or some you will giving us the created application demo like thing.
See, what thing I will do is I will create a application from scratch. I will try my best to create from scratch, but we don't have that much time to create initially. So some of the components are already been there, but I will showcase you how they have been created at the time. So you will see it once we move forward with the session. Daniel, you have any question?
Okay, okay, no problem. Thank you.
Does Oracle app created in Apex or Apex is involved in Oracle application?
So I
The
talk.
Oracle Fusion app or created in Apex or
No, Oracle Fusion itself a different entity, and Oracle Apex is a different one. Fusion is something, but we are right now what we are doing is we are also calling Oracle Report and Forms into Apex itself. So we have integrated everything into same functionality basically. But if you want to discuss on Fusion, this is a separate topic, but Apex is a separate topic. But all of them come under a same family of Oracle itself, so you can interconnect with them in different application as well.
okay.
Yeah. Someone else?
Yeah, Ravi. Hi. Good
Mhm.
evening. So my question is like, can we integrate this in Fusion first thing? And do we have a dashboard functionality in Apex?
So talking about that one dashboard, you if you are referring to something like a BI, or micro, basically the BI dashboard you can create over here for sure. But talking about integrating with Fusion, I haven't done it yet in my experience. But if you want us, I can find out some documentation related to stuff for that one, for sure.
Okay. So why I ask this question is like in generally in R12 version, we generally create OF ADF pages and we create a function and then we add and to navigate this part. But how we do it for Apex? So are we going to same like are we going to cover this part as well? Like how?
No, no, no. Actually, this is something which will goes into advanced level sessions. It is only for beginner to intermediate level, which we have already discussed. For advanced level, we will end this training session by the end of this month, and we will goes to that advanced level. So might be we will cover over there. You can give your suggestion, whatever you have related to, and I will take it into advanced level.
Ravi,
Sure, Ravi.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Ravi,
Yes. Yes.
uh, this is it will be chargeable training or free training.
Which one you're talking about?
This training because today is the first second. That's the first session. After
Mm,
that,
No, 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 no. Actually, entire training session itself is a free up to the end of this 8 lectures. Everything is free. But for the advanced, we will goes forward with the paid session. But this will remain free up to the eighth lecture, up to the end of this training session.
what will be charges after the 8 session?
We will discuss that later on. Might be one-on-one on
Okay,
DM. Yeah.
okay,
So thank you
okay.
guys. Time is
Okay.
up. Yeah.
Ravi, one more thing
Mhm.
that after completed session, so you will be give the assignment to cover all these session previous session.
Yeah. Sure. So we have already discussed. We will give you two.
But that will
We will give you
was
two practical exams.
practice of the
Yeah. So we will give you two practical
oh,
exams over there, and you will we will assess you on the basis of that one.
okay.
Okay.
Ravi, sorry, I'm interrupting at the last moment. I just want to know, like, are we going to cover in the basic part, like, how to we will be interacting with the CSS and JavaScript,
Yes, yes, for sure. We
small,
are
small.
we are we are going through that one. The CSS, HTML, JavaScript. Might be we are also including Ajax on that one. So yeah, we are checking on that one. But don't expect something a major part like the major
No,
application.
at least basic,
Yeah.
basic how we can, interact with the CSS files, how where it needs to be
Yes.
placed,
Yes. Yes.
how Ajax files can be changed, and the basic things, not
Yes.
much in
Yes.
detail, but it will basic starting.
For sure, for sure. We will take that one. And Apex itself is a treasure. You have to find it out by your own. But I will help you out is let you know the path to the treasure. And once you learn about that Apex, how it works, how it's you can create it, then you will find out the new things into Apex itself. So yeah, and I will be there always for all of you to guide you. If you want, you can directly connect to me. Yeah.
Thank
Okay.
you.
Okay then. Thank you everyone. Have a nice day.
Thank you, Ravi.
Thank
Bye.
you. Bye.
Thank you, Ravi. Good day.
Yeah.
Bye.
Thank you, Ravi.
Thank you.
Thank you, Ravi.